I'm sorry, he'll just provide a better life for me, more security, more money, a bigger house, some horses, a Porsche, and vacation time.
I don't understand, Miranda.
I don't understand either, Paul.
Did our kiss in that Y2K shelter just mean nothing?
I was blacked out, so... Goodbye, Paul. I'm leaving now.
Miranda. So I'm single now, and what's up with that, right? Ooh. This is all your fault. That's funny.
Women. One day you're chasing into old man McGee's corn maze.
She's only marrying the guy for his money anyways.
You can't really blame her though. I mean, guy's dad invented the ashtray condom.
Who am I gonna get to use a defibrillator on me while I'm napping now?
You really love this girl.
Like mermaids love blood.
Well then go stop the wedding.
Where's it at?
It's right over there. Bye.
We're still on for breakfast burritos after this, right?
I'm gonna give my stepnephew Drew Carey a call, and then we'll get this wedding started.
Quick!
Paul?
Paul?
Oh, thank fuck.
Wait. Miranda, don't marry him.
Okay.
Y'all want me to marry you two then?
Ooh, that'd be great.
Which one of you two is gonna be murdering the virgin goat?
Oh, that'd be me.
Hey bro, you're gonna need this. Got it from my great grandmother who fought in Korea. Alright bros, let's go.
Dearly beloved, we are gathered here today in this normally haunted bayou to wed the beloved Paul Wayne Gacy and Miranda. Miranda, do you take Paul to share with you your life, your love, and your needles?
I do.
And Paul, do you promise to protect Miranda from Himalayan debt collectors?
I do.
Well, then by the righteous powers of the Bermuda Triangle, and under completely false pretenses, I now pronounce you Mr. and Mrs. Paul. Kiss.